Welcome to Deep Space Explained, the channel where we journey across the cosmos from our planetary backyard to the most distant edges of the universe. Here, we unravel the mysteries of space, time, and everything in between, with science, storytelling, and a touch of cosmic wonder. Supernovas, colossal stellar explosions that, in a single instant, release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. They are violent, destructive, but also creative. Without supernovas, there would be no planets, no oceans, no forests, and no us. Today, we dive into the heart of these cosmic explosions to understand their science, their philosophy, and their impact on the universe. Get ready, because supernovas are both the end and the beginning of everything. A supernova is the final stage of life for certain stars. When a massive star, at least 8 times the mass of the Sun, reaches the end of its existence, it does not die in silence. Instead, its death is marked by an explosion so powerful that it can be seen millions of light years away. There are 2 main types of supernova. Type 2, which results from the collapse of the core of a massive star, and Type Ia, which occurs in binary systems when a white dwarf steals matter from its companion star until it can no longer resist its own gravity. These explosions are not just cosmic spectacles. They shape entire galaxies. When a massive star burns through all its fuel, it can no longer sustain nuclear fusion in its core. The internal pressure that balanced gravity disappears. Then, in a fraction of a second, the core collapses. The result is a shockwave racing through the star, triggering the explosion. The energy released is unimaginable. In just a few seconds, a supernova can shine brighter than all the stars in a galaxy combined. It's as if the universe lights a cosmic beacon, reminding us of the brutal forces that govern the heavens. Despite their violence, supernovas are the great alchemists of the cosmos. Elements like carbon, oxygen, calcium, and iron, essential for life, are forged in the hearts of stars and released into space by these explosions. When you breathe, the oxygen in your lungs was once inside a star. The iron in your blood was created in a supernova billions of years ago. Even the gold we use as jewelry was born in processes linked to the death of stars. We are literally made of stardust. Supernovas are not only distant events. Humanity has witnessed them throughout history. In 1054, a supernova appeared so bright in the sky that it remained visible during the day for weeks. Today, we know its remnants as the Crab Nebula. Ancient civilizations recorded these mysterious lights as divine signs, omens, or miracles. Only centuries later did we understand that they were stellar explosions, the very death of distant suns. Without supernovas, the universe would be a very different place. They recycle the matter of the cosmos, spreading elements that will form new stars and planets. Each generation of stars enriches the universe with heavier elements. This means that, in a sense, every supernova is a seed, a destruction that ensures the creation of new worlds. Planets like Earth exist only because billions of years ago, stars died in explosions. Supernovas teach us a profound lesson. Death and creation are inseparable. The universe does not fear the end because every end is also a beginning. The same happens in our lives. Closures open the path for new journeys. Without cosmic destruction, there would be no us. The entire universe is a cycle of eternal rebirth. Just as a star must die for life to emerge, perhaps we too must learn to accept endings as essential parts of existence. Astronomers estimate that a supernova occurs in our galaxy about once every century. The next could happen at any time, and it may even be visible from Earth. One of the main candidates is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star in the constellation Orion. When it explodes, it will be a breathtaking spectacle. For humanity, understanding supernovas is more than curiosity. They could affect life on Earth if they occur too close. At the same time, studying them helps us understand the expansion of the universe, the origin of galaxies, and the cosmic destiny ahead of us. To think about supernovas is to think about ourselves. Every cell in our body carries atoms born inside a star that died billions of years ago. This connects us, intimately, to the entire universe. When we look at the night sky and see a star shining, we can remember that one day it too will die, and from that death, new worlds will be born. Life is fragile, but it is also the fruit of a cosmic dance that never ends. Supernovas are both destroyers and creators. They light up the sky for a moment, but their consequences shape billions of years of cosmic history. They remind us that nothing is permanent, yet everything has purpose in the universal cycle. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And continue this adventure by watching the next recommended video. The universe is full of stories waiting to be discovered.